Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working and audio issues in CS2. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. To fix microphone issues in CS2, ensure your microphone settings are correctly configured. Open CS2. Go to In-Game Settings and adjust the input device and output volume under the audio section. This will prevent volume-related issues. Also, to fix microphone issues in Counter-Strike 2, update your microphone drivers in Windows Device Manager after examining your CS2 settings. Increase the number of audio inputs and outputs you have. Right-click on the microphone you want to use and select Update Driver. Choose the Search Automatically for Updated Driver Software. And wait. This ensures compatibility with your latest software. To prevent microphone conflicts during CS2, open Windows Settings, System, then Sound. Under Sound Settings, select Other Audio Inputs Device and click on Don't Allow, disabling the microphone until it's enabled again. Finally, to resolve audio input and output issues with CS2, ensure your microphone is turned on and connected to a power source or USB, and switch the port if necessary. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.